Hello my friends, welcome back here to the channel. This is the video about the assembly process here on the wood vase project. I made two other videos here. The first, I create all these wooden parts in this project. And the second video, I create all these other parts, the threads, the rods, the guides, the screws and nuts. And this is the third with the assembly process. Remember, if you like these videos that I made here for the channel, consider to subscribe and download my book in the first link of the description to follow the instructions. This is my ebook with all the instructions and measurements that we need to create this design. Let's start the assembly. Here I have all the parts that we create in the previous videos, and we will start to position this first component, select the move object component, point to point. Here, this will be the center point to this point. Okay, and I will rotate this component here on the z-axis as a 108 degrees. Vise will be the grounded component, capture the position, hide the origin, and now we can start insert some components here. The first will be the nut that we don't make the hole. Select this face, hold the control and position. In this case we can rotate that 30 degrees to fit this part here inside. We need 3 washes. Create copy and paste of 3 washes, the same measurement. Insert one here, another wash. Go to the control, click on the point in this other hole here, click OK. And another one here on these holes. Okay. Now we can another component here on this point to this point. The idea is that the nut and the washing is in the middle of these two wooden parts that we create. Analysis should be that the nut and the washes is inside these two wooden parts. Hide this analysis and insert here this push B that will, it's the bigger one. Insert here, flip, and OK. Now we have these 3 parts inside this wooden part. Return to the project. We can make this another joint, but in this case we change the rigid type to a slider. This middle edge with this middle edge, change to, and OK. And the direction. Now we have a relation here, another joint, this middle point, change to rigid, insert, that's OK. Now these parts move and the other move too. Another joint to this guide. And OK. Select that. this corner bracket, we can create a joint to this point, turn here from -9 degrees, be aligned. This wooden screw, I need to create 2 copies. The first I will insert here on the corner bracket, change the direction, okay. And the another one will be here on these holes, changing the direction and reposition as 20mm distance. And you can repeat this corner bracket 3 more times and create copies and joint here on these holes to fix this project on a table. Now we can insert this other bush, the bush A, here in the middle of these holes, change the direction. The analysis shows us that these bushes is inside these 2 washers. Now we need to insert these nuts needs to be in the middle here. This point in the middle needs to be the middle of the thread bar. These are the point that we need to reposition. Hold the control, slide a little bit to click on the midpoint, and the nut will be inserted here, aligned with the hole. Face of the nut, create another joint, click here, needs to be positioned to this wash here and click OK. We can position another joint here to the thread bar and here. Look this position that we have alignment with the whole of the thread bar, with the whole of this wood part, the cylinder. It's aligned, and we can insert this rod here. Hold the control, click on the center. We can move a little bit. And in this rod cap, you can create another copy here and insert here and here. Now we have all the components constrained in the position. We can change this color to a wood appearance that fit a little bit more realistic. Here and here. Okay. I will make another video showing how to move these components a little bit more realistic, like I did here on this other project that I made, the first one. that when I slide the component, and there is a relation between these rods. That's all for this video. Thank you so much to watch. I hope you liked it. Consider to subscribe here and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.